Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Sephora Shoplifter Goes Nuts After Realizing She's Ruined Her Chances at College.
And Sephora, just so you guys know, Sephora does prosecute everything. So we will be filing charges. You're also going to be trespassed from all Sephoras for 5 years. If myself or any other loss prevention agent identifies you, we can charge you with criminal trespassing.
How old is she?
16 and 17.
Oh, both.
Damn.
Neither of them have identification on them.
Okay.
Damn.
We're both stealing.
Was pretty much making the majority of the selections. Jasmine was the one that concealed into the
Okay.
market.
How old are both of you? You're 16? Okay.
What is your date of birth?
Like, so we can't just pay for it. Like,
Hell no, your ass going to jail.
No, that's not an
Had that
option.
You have to get mom
when did we have that
You
option?
have to get mom or
To pay
dad
for the
to
product.
pick you up,
And then you chose to steal
Why?
instead, remember?
or else you're gonna go down to DH.
No, I'm not.
What?
No, I'm not.
I'm sorry.
I'm not.
I mean, you will. That's literally what's gonna happen. I'm telling.
You would have to
I'm being straight
drag
up.
me into the car.
Yeah, you're under arrest.
No, man. Don't do that.
I'm sorry.
Yes, you are.
You're under arrest right now.
You are. We are pressing charges.
You can press charges, but
Stand up and put your hands behind your back, Jasmine. Yeah, you're going in cuffs.
Stand up.
Set your phone down.
This isn't a game.
You're under arrest for theft.
no, if you touch me,
Then you're going to get charged with obstruction at the very least.
We're
okay,
trying to be
then you
nice
can
with
touch me. Try touching me.
I mean, you're going to be arrested.
This is not the way you want to handle this, babe.
There's no way around this.
So please comply.
You're either going to catch another charge, which will make this a lot more complex in your court proceeding, or you can be a responsible adult and speak with us, talk with us, do what we need to do so we can get you out of here, and then that will look a lot better when you do have your court date. But you are under arrest.
Why?
Because you stole stuff.
We didn't even get like 20 feet away from the store.
That's semantics. That's not up for. That's not.
But we didn't get
This
20
isn't
feet
a
away. I
court.
already have a package
So you gotta get 20 feet from the store to be other? No. It's not how that works.
charge. If I get another one, I won't go to college. So I'm not doing this shit.
You resisting is gonna be a lot
I'm
worse.
not doing this shit. I want to pay for it.
It's not up for.
You just want to see me lose. So
I don't. I
No,
want to
'cause
do
I
my
can't
job,
do it.
which
I can't do
unfortunately I have to do right now.
We're trying to help you, actually.
no, you're not.
You are under arrest.
No, you're not. You're not helping at all.
Whether or not you catch another charge for resisting is on you.
No, because if I get another charge, I'm not going to college. What you?
I'm sorry, y'all. I have food in my mouth. Dumbass. If you knew you were supposed to not get another charge or you can't go to college, why the fuck is you still doing it? Obviously, you didn't care about college that much. And all you're doing is going to make it worse. You're making it worse by being a dumbass.
It's not understanding about that.
You are.
You wasn't doing that when you were stealing.
You are under arrest for theft, right?
So what?
How? If my daughter was in this situation, I'd say, hey, look, you do dumb shit, you got to pay for consequences. Like, there's no reason you got to steal. It's none whatsoever.
You guys not understand about that.
This isn't a conviction. This is just you're gonna have to go to court and deal with this and
I
speak
don't.
to a
I
judge about.
don't.
I know you don't want to, but your actions caused this. My actions didn't cause this. This officer's actions didn't cause this.
Nobody in this room actions caused it but you and your friend.
Your actions today caused this.
I'm not-
And now
you're
you
not-
And you know what's crazy? The ones that usually be doing all that damn crying is the ones that be the ringleader.
have to deal with the consequences.
Handcuffs.
I mean, you are. We're trying to be nice about it right now.
They being super nice,
I
actually.
mean, you are. There's. I'm telling you right now, you are.
No.
Okay, there's no way around it. We're trying to be civil about this and give you an opportunity to comply.
Well, y'all
If you comply, you might not even have to go to jail, but you talking about, yeah.
will have to.
Well, listen, Jasmine, if I try to put these on you and you fight us,
You
Resisting.
have to beat.
listen to me.
You would have
If
to beat the shit out of me. No!
Ma'am.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
All right, now you can get charged for resisting.
All for stealing lip gloss and shit and foundation. Like, come on, man. Your lip gloss don't need to be that popping. My lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool. What she don't understand is doing this type of shit is never worth it.
Now you just caught another charge because you just hit me in my face. You called on the officer.
Oh. Talk about they don't want to see you winning. They don't want to see you stealing, dummy.
Jeff, it's a minor theft and you're making it bigger.
Turn over.
This is how she gonna treat every situation in her life. It's gonna be a small situation that can be rectified. She gonna always make it bigger.
Get the off me! Get the off of me! Touch me again! You I'm not
That's crazy. Cause if you wasn't before, you definitely going. No, I ain't gonna say it. I ain't gonna say it, y'all. Fuck it. You going to jail! Oh damn, what happened to her hair? How the fuck they be just losing their hair like that? Like with the tranny yesterday, his shit just went the other way. Now her shit.
Nathan, it's way harder than it needed to be, Jess.
Way harder.
Now, are you gonna stand up?
No.
She did say y'all was gonna have to drag her.
Let me let radio know.
Oh, I can't wait for my mom to find out.
What your dumb ass was stealing?
Can't wait for my mom.
I hope she come in there with a belt and tear your ass up. Cause my granny or my mama would have caught me stealing, or my uncles, boy, they would have took turns whooping my ass.
And my lawyer to find out. What's your name? Bailey?
Officer Bailey.
Yeah, and you was just unnecessary for me, so.
It's all on body cam, sweetheart.
So,
You gonna stand up?
no.
She used her leg to get up. She gotta be an older lady.
Jeff, relax. Relax.
That was dumb as hell. Why would you do that?
It was just a minor theft. A misdemeanor. And you just turned it into something completely different.
A whole felony now, babe. Now, fuck a job. I mean, fuck a college. A job not gonna. McDonald's not gonna want to hire your ass with this.
That doesn't matter about that. Right. It's over a theft.
I don't give a
Obviously, you don't, and it shows because you being real stupid.
pay for everything.
Okay, it still would have been a minor theft. You would have got a court
No,
date.
because y'all was letting me pay for shit. You never gave me the option.
You shouldn't have been stealing it. You should have just went to the cash register, paid for it, walked out. You don't have the money. You don't buy it. You put it back and say, when I get some money, I will come and get this stuff.
That's not an option once you already called.
I
Facts.
was literally 20 feet away from the store.
Right.
And I came in here willingly.
All points of sales, and then you just resisted and fought, and you hit me in my face. You fought on the officer.
So,
Okay.
She said so. Oh, God.
That's what it is. Let's get up. You have anything on you that's gonna hurt me, poke me, stick me?
take me this
Any
handcuffs
weapon?
off.
Oh, them shit's not coming off. You could.
Does it look like I got shit on
Gotta
me?
check.
You stealing. Ain't no telling what you got on you.
Take these handcuffs off me so I can call my mom. It's my money.
Hey, Tag Reader.
Relax. You don't make the handcuffs hurt more than what you do.
Just looking for some advice. I'll be tight.
Whenever you readjust them and make them double large.
Stand up.
No, I want to call my mom.
You will be able to at the gym.
No.
You gonna do it at prison or the jail.
You're making this so much worse.
I'm calling
She don't even realize it.
my mom right now.
And y'all can say, oh, she's a kid, whoop de whoop, all y'all want. even as a kid, I knew what to do or what not to do.
You're probably gonna go to PH right now.
I'm calling my mom right now.
At this point, you would think that our suspect would realize that she isn't in control and can't just make demands, especially after throwing a fit like she did. Well, guess again, because apparently she can't stop screaming for mommy's help.
No! There's a phone right there!
You gotta relax.
Call my mom!
Phone. This is your purse.
Yes!
Bring this in your purse.
Sephora.
How you gonna steal and then cry about it? What the fuck?
Call my
Want your
mom!
leg too, Sue? I'll put this in you. I got it.
Which one did she have on, the wig or the hat? Or she had the wig, the hat on top of the, you know, I'm not gonna figure this shit out. That shit is confusing.
There was deception in my friend. Call her.
So you gonna walk to the cruiser like
I want to call.
once you get to the jail, you can, okay?
She said, "Wait till you get to the jail."
You can't right now. You're
Yes, I
under
do.
arrest, okay? Once you get to
Yes,
the jail,
I can.
No, you can't.
I
You
can.
cannot, okay?
I can.
So are you gonna walk to the cruiser?
I want
Then
to
once
call
we
my
get back
mom.
to the jail, then you'll be able to make a phone call.
I want to call my mom.
That's not gonna be happening. Okay? That's not gonna be happening right now. So you're gonna walk to the cruiser so we can start this
Where's
process.
Nita?
Who is who?
Nita.
She's out here. You're fine. She's out there.
Okay, so come. Start acting out once we get out.
Nita probably just gonna walk away with a little misdemeanor and go home.
Nita, call my mom. Right now.
Okay, come on, let's go.
We gotta work out.
Don't call.
Call my mom.
No, do not call.
Call my
Let's
mom.
go. Okay.
Baby, you is not in control. Don't you see that you ain't been in control of this whole situation since you decided to steal?
We can keep doing it.
Look at your friend. Your friend, she didn't act up. She just said, "Look, they'll call me. It is what it is. Let me take my lick and going on about my business." Yo, that's like turning a traffic ticket into a murder. Like, that's crazy.
Call my mom. Nita, on the fucking plane. Call my mom. What the fuck?
I'm sorry.
You gave me.
I thought we were kidding.
No, you did not. You came in here saying.
Oh, look at now they turning on each other because little baby said, "I ain't even know we was stealing. I thought we came in to pay."
That you wanted this shit for free and you didn't want to spend your money.
What's that?
But you the one that's causing all the drama though, so you look like the bad guy, even if that's true.
Either way, you're going back to the jail. So you can make it easy or you can make it hard. What you already got
She like making it hard, obviously.
done. And I would like for you to just walk to the cruiser and make it easy for me. Okay?
Where's my hat?
At least they being nice. I ain't never seen nobody get carried out in a wheelchair and handcuffs.
It's in your purse.
It's like VIP status in America.
Put everything in your purse. I got you. Let's go.
I need a hat. I'm not walking up with my hair like this.
You worried about your hair looking like that and you was stealing? Your ass going to jail.
And then you're gonna walk
It ain't
over
nowhere
and walk
around it, little baby.
Okay, we're not making any stops. It's gonna be straight to the cruiser. All right, let's go.
Thug, nasty thug. The walk of shame.
Surprisingly enough, the ride to the station was calm and unproblematic. Seems like our suspect finally learned her lesson, right? Well, wrong.
What?
As we find out in the next clip, not only did our suspect commit theft, but she then lied about her identity as well. Which we find out when she finally calls her mother.
So she lied about her identity. Another charge. She dumber than a box of rocks. She just started her career off early.
Right here. So, if I take these cuffs off, we're done fighting, right? Okay. Jasmine, how do you spell it again? Jasmi? You gotta answer these questions so we can get this process going.
Oh God, bro. This would aggravate my whole
Alright, you had
soul.
time to calm down. Now we gotta talk like adults, okay? And then she resisted arrest and she assaulted an officer while doing it.
What happens next?
How old is she?
18.
18? Okay.
Oh yeah. Y'all ain't going to jail. 18? I thought she was 17. So she lied about her age. Now she lied. Oh yeah. Yeah.
That's what I needed to know. So she's under arrest. I can call you with further once we're finished with her.
What's her name? Might as well tell her what's her name anyway.
Okay.
How long should I leave?
Yeah, it's gonna probably take a while.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. And you lied to us about who you are. You just have racket
Another one.
charges when it was a simple theft, a minor theft.
Both girls were arrested and charged with theft/shoplifting. In addition, our favorite little problem child managed to rack up another 3 charges for her delightful behavior: simple assault, obstructing official business, and falsification.
What a dumbass. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. Out. Oh, that she did have it like that. Okay, she had the thing on top of the wig. Okay, the hat. So y'all can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so that's how it did start. Okay.